danger. Okay. Bro. You look like a sexy accountant. Thank you. Exclamation mark play, guys. Hey, Maximo. Last track. Activity. I have one daddy for follow since. I think it is to me. Sorry guys. It's a bit weird now. It's a typical light beer in Denmark, so quite normal. An Indian dish with a lot of red. Lovely too. Ooh, that makes it tingle all the way to my vagina. Hello. The other one. Sorry. Wow. Sorry. Thank you. Thank you for the 5 songs. Hi Eleville and Wickedy. I have so many of my mods in here. Hi guys. Oh, it's cool. I think it's 80 kilometers, 80,000. Just get the electric bike same. Okay. So we can talk about some how to fail making Christmas cookies 101.